Hello everyone, this is Apu Rathore. Today I am gonna explain about the green IT. What's the green IT and what are the advantages of green IT and disadvantages of green IT. So let's move toward our introduction. Green IT is an approach to information technology that seeks to reduce the environmental impact of a IT system. It's an essential aspect of creating a more sustainable futures. By implementing a green IT practices, organization can lower their carbon footprint, conserves natural resource, and promote environmental responsibilities. The primary goals of a green IT includes the improving energy efficiency, reducing waste, and minimizing the use of hazardous materials. This can be achieved through strategies such as virtualization, cloud computing, energy efficient hardware, and the proper disposal of electronic waste. Green IT is also empathize the importance of optimizing data center operations, implementing power management techniques, and the promoting ecosystem eco-friendly purchasing decisions. Okay, and by adopting green IT, organization cannot only contribute to environmental preservation but also realize tangible benefits such as reduce operating costs, enhance the brand reputation, and compliance with the environmental regulations. As the global community becomes the increasingly conscious of the need for sustainable practice, the adoption of green IT will continue to grow in importance, paving the way for the more environmental responsible futures. Let's move towards the what are the causes of green IT. First one is a growing data. Second one is the outdated technology and inefficient practices and carbon emissions. Let's understand our growing data. The growing data, the exponential growth of a data is a major driver with a more data centers and devices being built to handle it the increases. This result in a energy consumption and electronic waste and outdated technology. Old technology often uses more energy than never. Okay, more efficient models. This inefficient use of resources can significantly impact the environment. Insufficient practices. Poor IT practice, such as a living devices and unnecessarily or not properly disposing of old equipment, can also contribute to the environmental impact. And the carbon emission. Carbon emission means the energy required to power IT system after comes from fossil fuels, which contributes to carbon emissions and climate change. Okay. Next, what are the advantages of green IT? So first one is the cost saving, and cost saving means like this is only implementing the green IT practice can lead the significant cost saving through the reduced energy consumption and the more efficient use of a resource. Next one is the environmental impact. Green IT helps reduce the company carbon footprint and environmental impact, contributing to the more sustainable futures. Okay, and regulatory compliance. Adopting a green IT align with the growing environmental regulation, helping organizations stop complement and avoid penalties and brand reputations. Domestic the commitment to the sustainability to green IT can enhance a company reputation and appeal to environmental conscious consumers. And the fourth one is a competitive advantage. Leading the way of in a green IT can give organization competitive edge in the market, positioning them then innovative and responsible. And what are the disadvantages of green IT? And of course, there are more disadvantages, but let's see number of disadvantages. That is the cost, complexity, and limited availability. Cost. What's the cost? In a cost system, implementing a green IT practice can be costly because this includes purchasing the energy efficient hardware and the software, as well as investing in the renewable energy sources. Okay, and complexity. It can be the complex to implement and the maintain green IT is a practice. It requires carefully planning, coordination, and ongoing monitoring, and a limited availability because green IT is not everywhere available, right? It is a limited availability. So some green technology options may not be readily available for widely adopted, which can limit the choices for organization looking to implement green IT. Okay. Now, how is the environment being polluted? Solution by using green IT. Now, we are gonna understanding how our environment polluted, but through green IT. Okay. So, what are the solutions we can be adopted for the this environmental pollution? Okay. So first one is the pollution from manufacturing electronic device, that the disposal of electronic wastes contribute to the environmental degradation. And green IT practices aim to reduce these emissions. Okay, I guess you got the point. So now next one is the resource depletions. The production of electronic devices requires finite resources like minerals and metals, which are being depleted, which green IT empathizes responsible sourcing and recycling. And third one is the climate change. Is also polluted by climate change. So the energy consumption of IT system contributes to greenhouse gas emissions that exacerbates climate change. And green IT seeks to reduce this footprint through energy efficiency and renewable energy. So, what are the solutions to save our environment using the green IT technology? Now we are understanding the what are the process, what are the what's that? What are the steps? What are the techniques we are gonna use to environmental technology? So first one is the energy efficiency and the second one is the renewable energy and the virtualization. Let's understand the energy efficiency. Using the energy efficiency hardware and software, optimizing the server utilization and a power down device where not in a use can drastically reduce energy consumption. Renewable energy means like utilizing the renewable energy source like a solar, wind and hydroelectrical power to power IT infrastructure, minimize the reliance on fossil fuels and reduce carbon emissions. Virtualization. Consolidating workloads to into favor physical servers through virtualization reduce the hardware component and overall energy consumption. And last one is the cloud computing. Cloud computing offers a more efficient and a sustainable approaches to the IT infrastructure that allowing organization to utilize a shared resource and optimize energy use. And now we are ending the our topic by reading the conclusion. So what we are studied in this presentation? First is sustainability and responsibility, advantages, disadvantages, and how through green IT will impact on environment, and what are the solution for that. And now sustainability means like green IT is essential for the creating sustainable futures by minimizing an environmental impact of IT system. Responsibility, it's our collective responsibility to adopt the responsible IT practice to protect our planet and ensure the healthy environment for the future generation. Innovation, what are the innovation in by through green IT? Green IT encourages innovations and the development of a new technologies that environmentally friendly and sustainable. So today I'm gonna end this presentation by now. So if you like this video, please like and share. Thank you.